It's Neoclassonic the Hedgehog here. I have very special pals with me. Come on in, come on in. Introduce yourselves. Okay. Sharing another house? Yeah. Here we go. Sniffing. Oh! Crashed through the window. Eat this shroomy. Why did you do that?
Mighty the armadillo.
Oh, there's only one left. So? No. Mario put it there first. Oh. There's the milk. What? Exploding milk. Oh, now they're gonna get a It's Donkey Kong. Oh. Oh my gosh. It's Luigi. Move. Oh, we're gonna go after that milk truck. Stand still and hold on. Here we go. Oh. I'm flying. Whoa. What the heck? Oh, there goes all the milk.
Wow, that was very anticlimactic.
Mm.